dear students, and welcome to Maths again. Now last time we have already learned about how to solve subtraction. Now so today we are going to learn about how to solve the word problems. Fine. So word problems of the subtraction. So let us see the problem set number 12 first. So let me tell you certain words which you have to remember when we have to do subtraction. Like for example, by how many when it is asked. By how many? This is one. Second, exceeds. Fine. Third, more than. If certain these words are greater than, if such words are coming in the question, then you should understand that it is a type of subtraction problem. So let us now begin with doing the subtraction of the word problems. Fine. So let us see problem set number 12 first. First question, that is Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450. So here the price or the cost of the laptop is 27,450 rupees. He has only 22,975 rupees. That means he has less amount, but he requires 27. So how much is the difference between 27 and 22? That we have to find out by subtracting. That means whatever answer we are getting, that much amount Prathamesh requires to buy the laptop. So that means he will have to add whatever remains to 22,000. So for adding that number, first you require to subtract from 27,000 22,000. So now let us begin the subtraction problem or the word problem. Fine. Let us write the amount what he has. Okay. So we will solve now word problems here. Problem set number, word problems, and we are solving now problem set number 12. So let us solve the first one. So laptop cost is more. So therefore we have to subtract from the laptop cost the amount what Prathamesh has. So the laptop cost is rupees 27,450. This is the cost of laptop. Whereas Prathamesh has only 22,975 rupees. Okay. So this is the amount Prathamesh has or amount he has. Fine. Now let us try to subtract from 27,000 22,000 so that we come to know how much money is required by Prathamesh to buy the laptop. So here you know that 0 is there and we cannot subtract from 0 5. So we need to borrow from 5 to this. So when we borrow from here to this side, it becomes 10 and here it becomes 4. So 10 minus 5 now becomes 5. Now here it is 4 and again 4 is less than 7. That means we need to borrow from here. So again when we borrow from here, this becomes 3 and here now 4 was there, it becomes 14. So 14 minus 7 becomes 7. Now here 3 is there. So again 3 is smaller than 9. But we have to borrow from this side. So this will become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. And now here since we have borrowed 1 from here, this becomes 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 2 we can easily do. So 6 minus 2 is 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So that means this is the amount what Prathamesh requires or Prathamesh needs to buy the laptop. So this is the amount, that is rupees 4,475 required or needed to buy the laptop. So this is the amount needed to buy the laptop. So finally we need to write a statement. So statement will depend upon how is the question asked. So the question asked over here is, what is the amount you still needs to be able to buy the laptop. So here you will write the amount needed by Prathamesh to buy the laptop is rupees. You have to write the statement, final statement. Therefore the amount needed to buy the laptop is rupees 4,475 only. Fine. So this is how you are supposed to do the calculation of subtraction word problem. Now again we will go for the next question, that is word problem number 2. Fine. So I hope so you have understood this problem. Let us go for the second one now. We'll rub this. Let us go for the second word problem now. Let us see what it is. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? That means if you see in the previous year they have produced more number of scooters, that is 44,730, whereas in the next year the number of scooters they produced were less. So how many less did they produce this year? We need to find out. So the question is, how many more is asked. So how many more when it is asked, then you have to directly understand that it is a type of subtraction problem. So let us say how many more scooters were produced in the last year. Fine. So let us write down what is given here first. So previous year the number of scooters were more. That means we have to subtract 43,150 from 44,730. Fine. So now let us write down 44,730 were the scooters in the previous years. In the previous year. And next year were 43,150 scooters. So these many scooters in the next year. So let us find out how many scooters were more in the previous year by subtracting. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So here 3 is less than 5. So we need to borrow from here one number, and when we add here it becomes 10. So 13 minus 5 becomes equal to 8. Fine. Now here 1 is borrowed from the other side. So 7 minus 1 becomes 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Fine. Now here 4 minus 3 we can easily do. So 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So around 1,580 scooters were more. Number of scooters more in the previous year. Number of write finally one statement. Okay, close this. So the statement will be according to the question. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? So they produced 1,580 scooters, more scooters, in the previous year. So this is regarding the second problem. So I hope so you have understood how to solve. Okay. So what you have to do is that you need to practice a lot. Once you practice only you will get to learn this how to do that. So you need to practice a lot. Fine. So I hope you will do this on your own. Question number 3 and 4 on your own, and answers I will be sending. Okay. So thank you dear students. Thank you very much.